Now, let us make it clearer with the help of more examples. So, here, what quality is mentioned about Radha? That she is a beautiful girl. Only the quality of Radha is mentioned, so I have used positive degree. Understood? Now here, Sita is more beautiful. Now I told you in the previous video that we make it comparative or superlative by adding ER or EST. Now there are certain words which are made of two syllables, such as beauty plus full is beautiful, wonder plus full is wonderful. In such words, we do not add ER or EST, we add more or most. You have done it from class 3 only, and class 4 also you have studied. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, wonderful, more beautiful, most wonderful. You have this in your book also on page number 63. Okay, so Sita is more beautiful than her Radha because the quality of two persons are compared. So I have used comparative degree. Now one more thing, let me explain how you know that which degree you have to use. This than will show you that that comparative degree is to be used. In most of the cases, or I can say in all the cases, if than is written, every time comparative degree is used. Understood? But see over here. Tanya is the most beautiful of all. No, Tanya is compared among all the girls. Okay, and I have used superlative degree. And the very common error which you children do is that the moment you see the over here, you write superlative degree, though it is not the case. The is not the guarantee for superlative degree. Okay, you have to check the comparison. You have to check the comparison. Here it is mentioned of all. That means it is exceeding number 2. Comparative degree is used only when two persons or two things are compared. Got it? So, now see, this is the better of the two books. Here also you can see the over here. But I have used comparative degree. Why? Because the number of books are 2. So you have to read the complete sentence and find out the comparison. If the comparison is between 2, then only you will use comparative degree. If the comparison is more among 3 or more than 3, you will use superlative degree. Another very important thing, Radha is as beautiful as her sister. Now see, whenever you use as, this means that the quality, the degree is same. Okay, is at the same level. Radha is also beautiful and her sister is also beautiful and they are equally beautiful. In such cases, when as is mentioned, we will always use positive degree. Don't forget this. Whenever as is used, we will always use positive degree. Okay? Hope it is clear to you now. Now children, let us do the exercises. Give the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. See, the positive degree is given and you have to write the comparative and superlative degrees of the given adjectives. See, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, costly, costlier, costliest. See, Y is changing into I and then ER is added. In the same way, Y becomes I over here and EST is added. As you know that comparative degree, we add ER, and for superlative degree, in most of the cases, we add EST. Now, happy, happier, happiest, noble, noble, nobler, noblest, fine, finer, finest, thin, thinner, thinnest, gay, gayer, gayest, sad, sadder, saddest. See how D has become double because the second last letter is a vowel. Now come this side. Holy, holier, holiest. Sorry, holy, holier, holiest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Large, larger, largest. Active, more active, most active. Red, redder, reddest, double D. Big, bigger, biggest, double G. proud, prouder, proudest. Come this side. Merry, merrier, merriest. Y is becoming I in both the cases. Dull, duller, dullest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Famous, more famous, most famous. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. Able, abler, ablest. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Dry, drier, driest. Small, smaller, smallest. Important, more important, most important. Write like this only. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. As I told you once while explaining that some of the words do not add take er or est at the end. We make it comparative or superlative by adding more or and or most. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Cold, colder, coldest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Ripe, riper, ripest. Idle, idler, idlest. High. Now children, let us do exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of adjective within the brackets. Now see, there are sentences given over here with blank spaces and an adjective is given against each sentence. You have to write the comparative or superlative or positive degree of the word given according to the demand of the sentence. Now see how you will do. This is the dash prize I can take. Okay, the word given is little. Now what are the three forms of little? Little, less, least. Now here the is mentioned. Okay, and we are talking about among all the prizes that I can take. So superlative degree is used. This is the least prize I can take. This is the dash flower I have ever seen. Pretty. Now you are talking about all the flowers that you have ever seen in your life. Okay, so the comparison is among all the flowers, not between two flowers. So superlative degree will be used. So prettiest is written. This is the prettiest flower I have ever seen. Now this is very important. This is the dash of my two sons. The word is given old. You know children, there are two forms of degrees of comparison in old. Old, older, oldest and old, elder, eldest. Now this man is talking about his own sons and the comparison is between two only. See, between two only. As I told you while explaining that the is not the guarantee for superlative degree. You have to check the number of persons or things compared. Here only two people are compared. So definitely you will not go for superlative degree just because the is written. You have to pick comparative degree. The second point you have to take is old, older, oldest or old, elder, eldest. You have to decide. Now this person is talking about his own son. Okay, two sons, his own sons. So we will go for elder, eldest, and so looking at both the points, elder is the correct option. Lead is the dash of all metals. Now the comparison is among all metals. So heavy is written. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. You will write heaviest. Iron is more useful than any other metal. The word is given useful. Now, every year children confuse over here and they say that Miss, any other metal is written, all metals are written over here. So most of the time they use superlative degree. Children, don't forget that if than is mentioned, it is always comparative degree. Okay, than is a guarantee for comparative degree, and if than is written, you will always write comparative degree. So useful, more useful, most useful. So more useful is written. He was the dash man in the world. Comparison is in the world. So many people are there in the world. Okay, so superlative degree is used. He was the happiest man in the world. Which is the dash mountain in the world? The word is given high. Okay, so we have picked highest. Why? Because all the mountains in the world are compared. Sushil is the dash boy in the class. In a class there are many boys. Okay, and Sushil is compared among all the boys in the class. So superlative degree is used. Lazy, lazier, laziest. See, laziest. Your essay is dash, mine is dash, his is the dash of all. Now, the word is given bad. The three forms of bad are bad, worse, worst. Now, in the first one, you are talking about only your own essay. In the second one, your essay and my essay are compared, so verse is written. And in the third one, all essays are compared, so worst is written. So the sentence is, your essay is bad, mine is worse, his is the worst of all. He is the dash boy of the two. See, again the comparison is between two only. So comparative degree is used. He is the better of the two, because the comparative degree and superlative degree of good is good, better, best. Of the three apples, this is the dash. The word is given large. Now see, three apples are compared. And as I told you, the moment it exceeds to 3 or more than 3, superlative degree will be used. So largest is written. Health is dash than wealth. Than is written. Health is compared with than. Okay, health and wealth are compared. So important, more important, most important, more important is written over here. Who is the dash boy in the class? Again, he is compared among all the boys in the class. So, good, better, best, best is written. My brother is dash than your brother. Here comes. Old is written. Now, my brother and your brother, they are not born of same parents. Okay. So, older is used. Only when we are talking about children of same parent, the sons and daughters of same parents, we will use elder and eldest, otherwise older and oldest. Your handwriting is dashed than mine. Your handwriting and my handwriting is compared. So good, better, best, better is written.